Hey everyone, in this video I will cover the solution walkthrough of Basic Pentesting 1 VulnHub by introducing the basic steps and methodology involved in a penetration test. Both numerous remote vulnerabilities and several avenues for privileges escalation are present on this machine. Since VirtualBox is what I use for all of my testing, that is the suggestion platform. It is set to work with VMware as well, but I haven't personally tested this. This virtual machine is designed with novice penetration tester in mind. The VM should ideally have the ideal level of complexity for beginners. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So our machine is up. I will need to find the IP address of vulnerable machine. So for that I will run the command netdiscover. Our vulnerable machine IP address is 192.168.0.119. We will run the Nmap scan to find the open ports and services. -SC stand for default script, -SV stand for default version, and -PN stand for skip host discovery. From this we have three open ports, that is port number 21, service running is FTP and version is ProFTPD 1.3.3c. Port number 22, service running is SSH and version is OpenSSH 7.2 P2 Ubuntu. Lastly, we have port number 80, service running is HTTP and version is Apache HTTPD 2.4.18. So let's start with the port number 80. I will copy this IP and paste it in the browser. So there is a message saying it works. This is the default web page of this server. The web server software is running but no content has been added yet. So next I will run the gobuster command to find out the hidden directories. There is a directory called secret. Let's visit it. So as you can see, this website is built using WordPress. Also, there is a login functionality. Next, I will run the command wp scan. Enumerate user. So there are multiple vulnerabilities. Also, we have user admin. This is the default username. So I can try with the default password as well. we have successfully logged in. Another way is to brute force the password. So let's try. So username is admin and password is also admin. In my previous video, I have got the reverse shell by going into the appearance tab and editor. Next, I will click on footer. I will visit the website called Pentest Monkey for reverse shell. Let's copy the content. Paste. Don't forget to change the IP address. This IP address should be your machine IP address by running the command ifconfig. We will keep the port as it is. Let's update the file. File edited successfully. Next, I will run the command netcat -lnvp. We will keep the port number as 1234. Now let's visit some pages. I have got the reverse shell. So let's run the command who am I. So username is www-data. Let's run the command id. So it's confirmed that username is www-data. So in our Nmap scan, we have got the port number 21 open, that is FTP. Service running is Pro FTPD 1.3.3c. Let's try to find is there any backdoor. So we will try by running the command search exploit Pro FTPD. So there is a one exploit, remote code execution. Let's fire up the MSF console. Use exploit Unix FTP slash Pro FTPD. We'll set the payload as well. options. We will set the R host and L host. Next, we will run the command exploit. I will run the command who am I. I have root access to the target machine. Now I am going to find the password of Marklin spy. As you can see here, we have the username, but we don't have password. We will run the command id, which confirms that we are root. We will run the Python command. Now I open Python spawn shell, interactive terminal spawn via Python. Identify when a terminal is spawned via Python. Attacker may upgrade a simple reverse shell to a fully interactive TTY after obtaining initial access to a host. Let's run the command cat etc/shadow. The shadow password file is a system file in which encrypted user passwords are stored so that they aren't available to people who try to break into the system. Now I copy this to a new file to crack the hash. I will save this file. And now I will use John the Ripper to crack this hash. Finally, I found the password for the Marklin spike and it is Marklin spike. So let's log in into the machine. Overall, this is a fun task. It took a while for me to find out details, but it provided me with an excellent introduction to the basic test of penetration. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates.